All right, so I just recently built a studio. If I can get the door to close all the way. And we're going to discuss today the Mr. Cool unit. Okay? This hasn't been up very long. In fact, I'm still not quite done with the studio. You can see there's still no baseboard or anything like that around here. This is about a 400 square foot building, mostly designed for podcasting, what have you. Now, right now, the current temperature outside is 96.9. And what we're going to do is I'm going to get over here on the computer. I've got a weather station sitting right here. And we're going to actually do a scientific, well, as scientific as we can get, and watch how well this unit performs. Okay, I've switched over to the computer now. Currently 96.7 degrees outside. The inside temperature is currently, I got it highlighted for you, is currently 89.4, and the inside temperature rate is almost rising at 3 degrees per hour. The air conditioner, the Mr. Cool mini split, is currently turned off. Here's a remote control. And let me preface this by saying I am in no way, shape, or form sponsored or endorsed or anything like that through Mr. Cool, okay? I'm just trying to give something that I wish I would have seen before I purchased this unit. This is the 24K mini split. Once again, through Mr. Cool. It's been up probably 2 months, I guess. And what I'm going to do is crank this thing up and let it run for about 2 hours so you can watch yourself to see how well or not this performs. So let's get it started, and I'm going to start the countdown timer, and I will be back in just a little bit. I'm also going to put this on a time lapse where y'all don't have to wait 2 hours to see the whole results. Now keep an eye on the end temperature and the inside temperature rate so you can see how fast this thing actually works. So with that, let's get started. And we're off. All right, let's try this again. I forgot to turn the microphone up. We're down to under 10 minutes to go. And from 90 degrees down to 73.2. I'd say that's pretty strong. However, the choice is yours. At the time of recording, which is June 26th of 2024, this unit's running about $1,800. Do I regret it? Not in the least. Would I do it again? Absolutely. I think this thing more than proves itself over and over again all the time. I've done this like, I don't know, 3 times now just to test it. But since this was the hottest day of the year, I figured this would be a real good test for it. Anything else I can say about it? I mean, it's an amazing, amazing unit. Cools. In fact, this coming winter, we're going to try this thing again on the reverse side. Let it get good and cold in here, turn it on, and see how well it warms things up. I really wish that I would have seen something like this when I was in the process of researching to see if this was going to be the right one for me. Now, there's all kinds of videos out there to show installations. I'm not worrying about that. I want to see performance, as I'm sure you do too. I hope this really helps you out.